Hello friends, welcome to Lormedics. Whenever we are doing activity, the impulse from our body should send to brain and the information again back to our body. We transmit the signal from the body to brain and from the brain to body. That is neuron. Neuron is transmit the signal from the body to brain and brain to body. Neuron. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Collection of neuron is nervous system. These neurons help to transmit the electrical impulse from one cell to another cell. Neuron is also called as nerve cells. It is like any other cells in the body having nucleus, all other cell organelles in the cytoplasms. Then how it differ from other cells? One is axon and dendrites. Another one is it does not have centrosome. So it can't undergo the cell divisions. So if damage in this neuron, the damage only. It can't able to heal parts of the neuron. Nerve cell body, dendrites, axon and axon terminal. Look at here. This is cell body. This is also called as Soma. This short process is dendrites and this one is nucleus, and the long process is axon. The axon is covered by myelin sheath. The myelin sheath is made up of Schwann cells, and the gap between the myelin sheath is node of RANVIER, and the end of the neuron is axon terminal. Again, cell body, short process is dendrites, and normally other cells have ribosome. Like the neuron also have ribosomes. Here that is called as nissl granules. Cone shape at the starting point of axon is called axon hillock, and this is the initial segment of axons, and this one is the axons. These are myelin sheath. Gap in the myelin sheath is node of RANVIER, and this is axon terminal, and this is the terminal button or terminal knob. Neuron here. Pericrion. Cell body is also called as pericrion and Soma. These are dendrites, nucleus, nucleolus, axon hillock, nissl granules and axon. Cell body. It is also called as Soma. Soma, it contains nucleus, cytoplasm and other specialized organelles in the cell body. Function of the cell body is maintain the neuronal structure, and it stores the genetic informations and provide the energy to drive activity in neurons for transmitting the electrical impulse. Dendrites and axons. Dendrites are the short process and axons are the long process. These dendrites and axons are called process of the neurons, and these are also called nerve fibers. Dendrites. It is the extension from the cell body, and usually many dendrites are present at the neuron. The function of the dendrites is receive the message from other neurons. Axon. Axon, it is responsible for the transmitting the electrical signal from the dendrites to axon terminal. The axon is surrounded by myelin sheath. What is myelin sheath? Myelin sheath, the Schwann cells are form the myelin sheath. It is the fatty layer. It protects the axon. The function of the myelin sheath is insulating the axons. So it protects the axons from the leakage of the electrical signal, and it helps to transmit the signal over long distance. Node of RANVIER. What is node of RANVIER? It is the gap in the myelin sheath, that is node of RANVIER. The function of the node of RANVIER is facilitate the rapid conduction of the nerve impulse. Rapid conduction. Terminal buttons. It is the inflated portion of the axon terminal. It contains specialized features. So that features necessary to release the neurotransmitter from presynaptic neuron to postsynaptic neuron. Gray matter and white matter. In brain, gray matter is present in outside and white matter is present in inside of the brain. Gray matter, it contains cell body of the neuron and few myelinated axons, and white matter contains long range of myelinated axons and few cell bodies. Thanks for watching and follow me in Instagram. Do subscribe. Thank you.